What's up, tube? And in this video, I got something special for y'all, man. Took a trip to the beauty supply store, man. Every time I go to the beauty supply store, I always get something fire, you know what I mean? I fuck with the beauty supply store heavy. If you're afraid to walk in the beauty supply store as a waiver or the person that likes to groom yourself, why? For what reason? But anyway, y'all, in this video, man, I'm gonna show y'all what I just got. Hold up. But yeah, man, we just recently copped the Oscar Fast Feeds. Y'all been know about these clippers, man. These are the OG clippers. OG as fuck, you know what I mean? Like Andis and fucking, they're a little bit more expensive than Andis. And Walls and shit. But y'all been knew about these clippers, man. The box, I gotta say the box is crispy as fuck. I got everything detailed, know what I mean? I'm gonna read this shit as soon as I'm done with this video. Literally just got this shit, so alright, fuck the box. But let me show y'all the clippers. I got them plugged in. Man, y'all know what they look like. Y'all know how they're fucking beautiful, man. They're a little heavy, but I'm cutting my own hair. Like, it's not gonna take that long with these shits, so I'm cutting my own hair. I ain't cutting anyone else's. I'm not a barber, so I don't really gotta worry about holding these for a long periods of time. So that's good. They come with the guards. The guard protector, whatever the fuck you want to call it. They look really good. I'm not gonna lie. On the box, they look really good too. So I know they're gonna perform good. But yeah, we're gonna give y'all a little sound test. And this is 0 right here, and this is probably 0.5, I'm guessing. It's like 0.5 maybe. So lever's cool. I think this lever might break though, but I'm usually gonna just keep it at a 0. They sound good. They sound amazing out the box. I'm gonna be looking at how they perform. I'm gonna give y'all a review on how they perform. I'm trying to give y'all a cut video. I'm definitely trying to give y'all a cut video, because I did cut my own hair recently, 2 days ago. And let me show y'all actually. Damn, how I hop on the video and even show y'all the waves. You feel me? This spot right here is a little thin. I cut it a little too low, but it's alright. I'll learn from that mistake, and I'm never cutting this side that low again. Yeah, man, we spinning, man. Did a lineup and everything. I'm still working on the lineup, getting the lineup crispy as hell. It's not that bad right now. I could touch it up a little bit, but it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty. I think I should let this side grow out a little bit. Let that side grow out a little bit. I did the beard. The beard's crispy as fuck. But back to this Oscar Fast Feeds. They come with all the guards. You know what I mean? 1/4, 1.5. This says half. So I'm thinking I'm gonna be putting this guard on my hair, or maybe the 1/4. The 1/4 does look like a lower cut. We'll see, you know what I mean? Cause I gotta play with it and figure out what settings I really like on it. It also came with the lubricant. You already know about the lube. And the fucking weird looking fucking brush, dog. This shit looks weird as hell. And it's a little extra, but cool. Also, let me show y'all what I got. I got the T trimmers, the Oscar T trimmers. I seen these, and I don't know, like, I just heard about Oscar, and I just want to, you know what I mean, test them out. I wanted to test them out. I use them to edge my shit up. We're gonna do a sound test on these too. These are a little softer than the fast feeds. I expected the clippers to be a little less noisier, but it's not gonna make a difference. I'm cutting my own hair. I don't really give a fuck as long as my shit comes out good. Let me give y'all a little sharpness test. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need to tweak these out of the box because they do not hit good out the box. All you gotta do is take off these little screws and move this blade to make it straight, and they're gonna hit, man. Like whenever I use this, you feel it like on your, look, I'm gonna give y'all a little demonstration. These things do work, man. These things are, they cut pretty nicely, and you're gonna feel them, man. Once you tune them up, you're gonna feel them. They're pretty sharp. But yeah, man, that's pretty much the Oscar Fast Feed and T-Line Trimmer review. I also got this spray infectant, which I'm about to use on this. So, yeah, man, if you're a waver and you want to start cutting your hair, just go do it. Because if you go and do it, you're going to feel, one, better about yourself, two, and you're going to save a lot of money. And that's what I plan on doing. I just plan on saving a lot of money. I'm missing one part of my setup, and that is the self-cut system, which is a triple mirror that you can see around your whole head, and you don't have to worry about holding the mirror up. And that's what my main problem is right now. I gotta hold the mirror up, but my edges are still coming out crispy, so I'm doing pretty good with that. Leave a like, comment what you think about the Oscar Fast Feeds. I can't wait to try them out. My hair is pretty low right now, so I don't need them for a couple weeks. I might cut my hair probably next week or something, just to give y'all a little demonstration. But yeah, man, Oscar Fast Feeds. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.